ready? Soplan si Darren last week. Okay. 2-0. Uy! Oh! Tutulog ka. Hey. Oh. Bayan, sabi ayusin. Ayos ha, magaling ka rin.
June, layout, turnover. R8, open 3-4. No. Orange ball. Almost a steal. R8 being harassed by Jasper. Open 3-4 again for Rabago. Bang! Maganda gising ni Rabago. June. Nice pass. Kurt from June Fernandez. R8 being defended again by Jasper. Takes a 3. Offline. This is a championship game. June for 3. Way off. Average shot taken by June. Still, pass break. Foul. Foul number 2. Extra rice. Extra rice. Naku, di na nakasunto. Yari. First shot is good. Oh, 1 out of 2. Oh! What? Backcourt violation. Nice effort. Kaya na yun, kaso nag-backcourt. R8 for 3. Offline again. Same ball. Extra rise to R8. R8 penetration. All away. No good. Pass break opportunity again. Pass to June. Pass to Kurt again. For 2. Score is 5-3. Pressure defense put up by the green team. R8 to J. Rabago. Grabing kinitsa. Oh, nice fake. Black shot by Scott. Roller shot by Extra Rice. Nakakadalawang black shot na po si number 2. Si number 8 pala. Jasper, same ball. Leon to June. June again. For 2. Back shot. RA. Being defended by Jasper. Oh, triple team. Almost a steal. J. Rabago for 3. Offline. Rebound by Extra Rice. Oh! Oh, sorry, miss. Oh, was steal by Onward. Fast break. Good luck, extra nice. Oh, sorry, miss again. With him.
Depensa.
Point blank shot by extra nice. Jasper. Pass to his coach. Open shot. No good. Jake Rabago. Oh, power is straight. Miss shot. Jake Ryan again. 4-2. Reverse shot. We are tied. 7-all. June looking for a friend. Pass to Kurt. Kurt. Pull up. Miss. Rebound again. Miss again. Jasper again. Oh, nice rebounding effort by Green Team. For 3. No. Nice rebound by Olmon. Whoop, we have an injury.
Kasama niya.
Injury report. And it takes Kaya mo pala, yung buka pa. Kailangan. Nakailanganin niya magiging umaga. Alright, next shot. Thanks again. For 2. For 2 again. Alright, looking for a break. Pass to Jasper, giving 3. Pass to June. Nice pass by the Green Team. Try again. Triangle offense. Two shots for Kurt. First shot is good. Second shot. 2 for 2. For number 8. Bravo, wait. Bravo, go, the score is 12-9. Julio Fernandez powers his way for 2. What a move. Speed move. Score is 12-11. R8. No good. Rebound by extra nice. Misses again. Good. Oh, sorry. Jake Rabago fouls his way. There's a foul. Foul on number 7, Jasper. Oh, natamaan yung pimples. Ako. Olmon. Good through. Nice inbound play by Orange Team. Leo decided to crazy shot. June. Error pass. Jake Rabago thinking 3. Open for 3 is RA. Hesitation. Good pull up. Miss. Sorry, miss. From RA. The score is 14-11. June Fernandez. Nice alley-oop pass. Wow. 2 points for number 8. Behind the back pass. RA to extra nice. Powers his way. Oh, still. Pass break opportunity. June. Oh. Fish for a foul. Foul on Jake Rabag.
Two misses by Jun Fernandez. Sayang. Pass break opportunity to Radley.
Double block. Ay, traveling na. Blanca pa. Oh, cross-court pass. Stolen by... Oh, what a pass break opportunity by... Tumingi pa ng ball. Si Extra Rice. Jun Fernandez, pass to Kurt, floater, yes, 1-2. Astilo, solid miss. Floater. Oh, 3-on-2 pass break. Taking 3, Kurt. Bang, time out. Time out. Time out, Orange Team.
Time out.
Team Black Lugawa, Green Team. Because of the 3-point shot, Huwag by number 8.
Labang palo, kamay! Tayo magmatigas, o pag nagaya, huwag piliin.
Backstop nyo na kahit nasaan ka. Kahit saan mag-shoot, lapitan nyo agad.
Wala na nga tayong defense eh. Wala na tayong offense.
Ikat mo lang yung isang malaki na malaki. Defensa.
Okay, second half. We're having a close ball game right here. Leading to 16.
Ito, para sa orange.
RA penetrates. Almost a steal. Hey, steal. Oh. Jake Likayan, pass to RA. Nice pass, fake shot. Sorry, rebounded by Almond for 2. Sorry, again. Jake Likayan for 2. Jun Fernandez sidestepping move.
Backs out!
Too strong. RA set up. Jake Lava number 3 offline. Jasper for 3. Bang! Too wide open si Jasper. Extra right, pass to Jake Likayan. Nice cut. Sayang lang. Right. Error. Almost a straight turnover. RA powers his way. Oh, how strong. Hirap sa malaki. Jasper open for 3. Short on that one. Rebound by Leo. Bang. 2 points for Leo.
Na si CJ.
Ako, sino kayang magpapasap? Si Leo o si Jasper? Andyan na yung isang player. Jack and Toy na lang kayo. Oh, no foul called. Almond. Extra nice floater. No. Pass break opportunity. Jasper to coach. To June. Coach for 2. Short.
Off!
Time out. Green Team.
Sorry, walang practice.
Off! Joe off! Ang lalaki.
Walang practice si coach. Walang practice. Ano eh? Sa plato nagpa-practice yan eh.
Ate tayo. Mamaya na ulang.
Oh, ayan na, jack and point na yung dalawa. Nag-aaway na, sino mag... Papiliin yung orange team, sino upo sa inyo?
Kaya bay.
Ayan na. Kanin sa edad.
Hindi. Coach yun eh.
Coach! Green niya.
Coach!
Bahala ka.
Si Coach man eh. Coach yun. No.
Either one of you guys. Either one of you. Kasi ano lang, isa lang eh. Green yan eh. Adik ka sa laro. Hindi, depende kasi coach. Kasama sa line of yun. Oh!
Yata!
Extra nice! Short on that one. Back shot. 2 points for extra rise. Oh, nako, kompleto na. Kompleto na. Oh, beats na kagad kasi championship game to. Patapos na ang first half. Floater. RA, prospect opportunity. Oh! Foul is by RA. Foul. Duty foul. Being put up by number 6, Jake Raba. Nice foul. Nice foul to prevent the fast break. Jasper, magbilang ka na dyan. Masasab ka na rin. Tira mo na ng tira yan. Makabawi. Sige na. Oh, kita mo. Tira mo na. Ayan na. Nagme-medyas na oh.
Walang
Oo, ito na oh. Tinaw mo na para tumagal oh.
walang practice si Coach sa maski pasa eh.
Oh,
Ang layo.
Tira mo na ng tira, Jasper. Arling. Oh! Oh! No call with that one? Oh! Charging foul! Yung bawi mo nakita eh, yung una di nakita. Usually, ganun talaga, yung pagbawi, yun ang nakikita. RA! Turing bayan! Oh, there's a foul! Oh! Ginugulo! Sige, ginugulo! Stretching pa lang, stretching pa. Mag-stretching na. Stretching ba? Person is good? Oh, maka-injury na siya.
21-23.
Patakboy mo muna sa ano. Doon sa Christy, patakboy mo muna. 1 out of 2. So, hindi kaya. Jasper, sabi si tira mo na eh. Tira mo na Jasper eh. Nasa baka na, wala na. There's a foul. Foul na number 10, RA. Ta. Jasper, I'll back you up. I'll back you up. Take it.
Sayang lamang namin.
Ako na rin lang. Sasabang ka na eh. Wala ka rin. Score na lang kami. Ano na, itira mo na eh. You only have under 2 minutes left.
25-21, 4 points, green.
Alright. Spencer defense. Oh, black shot. Napulot ni extra rise. Whoa. Ill-advised pass. Jake Rabago. For green.
26-25, 1 point, orange.
1 minute left for our first half. Kurt. Whoa.
3 points.
3 points. We're having a shootout right here. CJ, defending RA, oh, nakalabas. Nice pass, nice cut by extra rise. 2-point shot for extra rise. Jasper, tira mo na yan. Itira mo na yan. Ayan na. Ayan na, kita mo na eh! Just for 3 points! The ball. Oh. Double block line. Offensive foul. Hindi na injured na. Sprain ankle or cramps? Hey, where's the foul?
Ano yan? Cramps? Cramps?
What's that cramps?
Sino manalo ng ganyan? Sabado na lang natin yan.
Si Coach, maglalaro si Coach.
End of the first half. The score is 30-28.
Sabado na lang daw.
Okay, Jasper.
Ilang point na?